A.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and
B.
called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the
C.
bells be handy.
1.
Father and I went down to
2.
along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy.
3.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be
Red color.
handy.
Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color.
And there was Washington, folks about him.
Green color.
He's grown so tall, well, he will not run out then.
Purple color.
Keep it up, mind the music
Pink color.
and with the girls be handy.
Brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding
B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry.
feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
C is for clock. It tells you the time.
Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with
1.
the girls
One baby arrives. 2. Two tiny hands hold. 3. Three sweet kisses given. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel.